unit 1 kinds of water, and it's lesson 3, the second kind, and pure water, which is on page number 87. So I want one of the student to read it. Anas, would you like to read it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. The impure water is the water that its color, taste, and smell change by impurity. Whether the water is a little too or much, is it suitable for ablution or not? It is illegal to use it, and it is forbidden to be used for cleanness. Water of the toilet, water a chicken dropped it in it and died, so its smell changed.
From here, avoiding.
Avoiding polluting water. Islamic law with came with cleanness and avoiding impurity and filthiness. The Prophet uh,
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned us against cat,
Contaminating.
content, contaminating stagnant water by urinating it. Abu Hurairah sallallahu
Razulullah.
alaihi wasallam reported
Abu
that
Hurairah Razulullah Ta'ala
Prophet
anha.
sallallahu alaihi wasallam said it's forbidden to urinate the stagnant water and wash it in.
Okay, thank you, Anas.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. So this is the second kinds of water what we are going to discuss, guys. What we have already discussed about the pure water, the purification. I will start from there. We know that how much important purification is, how much importance does the purification have for us, and how many types of impure water we have, how we can have impure water. What is impure water, guys? Any water if its color, taste, and smell changed by impurity. Okay, if its color, taste, and smell changed by impurity, whether the water is little or much, so that will be considered as impure water. That will be considered as impure water, as we have already discussed about these three characteristics, that if the water change its three characteristics, like its color, its taste, and its smell due to some impurity, so the water is, whether it is little or much, but that is impure. Okay, what can be impurity? Impurity can be like blood, urine, okay, any dead animal, okay. If these impurity mixed with any water, and then the color, taste, or smell changed by this impurity, so that water will be considered as impure water, and we cannot use that water to make an ablution. There is example water of the toilets water, a chicken dropped in it and died, so its smell changed, so we cannot use this water for wudu, for cleanliness, for purification. As you know, guys, uh, it's necessary for us to purify from najasa, to get, purified our body, to clean our body from a physical impurity. Okay, so we take physical purification, we use ablution, we clean our body so that we can perform namaz. And okay, Ahmadullah, wait, Ahmadullah, Arhan, Ahmadullah, Tafim, why they were out? Yes, guys, so as I was discussing you that we should be purified from najasa, and we should use only pure water to clean our body. I discuss you with the some water that the different types of water. If water is in natural state, so that is considered as pure. Like if the water characteristics are same when it is created, whether it is falling from the sky, from rain, from snow, or it is flowing on the ground, like water from seas, rivers, rain, wells. So these all are pure water. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, and we send pure water from the sky in Quran. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also say that He means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends down upon you from the sky water to purify you. And Aap sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say, "O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, purify me from my sins with the snow rain and hell." And Aap sallallahu alaihi wasallam also say, "It is pure and it is carrion are lawful to eat." So guys, we know about the types of water that from rain, from river, from seas. These water are the pure water and we can use it for purifying our body, for cleaning our body. And we also learned about the impure water, that impure water we cannot use to clean our body, to make our ablution, and how a water can be impure. A water can be impure water due to some impurity. Okay, any impurity, if that impurity change the color, taste, or smell of the water, that will be considered as impure water. Let's suppose if you have some water and a chicken died, or you put that into that water, let's suppose a chicken died chicken fall into that water, and after that you realize that the smell of the whole water is changed. So that water is now not pure water, that is now impure water, so you cannot use that water for cleanliness because this is impure water. Okay, also guys, I discussed with you there are some pure things also, like soap, soup, juice, tea, okay, ink. Although they are pure and they will also change the color, but the water will be pure. If a soup, a soup or a juice went dropped into the water, so and its color change, so it will be pure water, but you cannot use it for cleanliness. Okay, you can use the water for cleanliness which is pure. And I told you that running water and water which is from coming from the sky, from the snow, these all are the pure water, so these water you can use for cleanliness. So any water which is changed by due to some impurity, any impurity because of a dead animal which has changed the nature of the water, a dead animal uh, which has changed the smell of the water, or a urine, anything. If the color, taste, or smell is changed, so the water is now impure, and it is illegal to use that water for cleanliness. Is that clear, guys? Yes. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
The
Yes,
second
sir, we
kind
can
of
hear you.
water,
Yes,
Yes, sir, it's
sir.
clear. Yes, sir, it's clear.
What page is it?
page number 87. So now you know about the pure water also and the impure water also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Okay, Islamic law came with cleanliness and avoiding impurity and filthiness. Filthiness means, guys, dirt, too much dirt. Okay, the Prophet ﷺ warned us against contaminating stagnant water by urinating in it. Guys, stagnant water means a water which is still, okay, which is not in running situation, which is not running, which is fixed, which is still, okay, that is considered as a stagnant water, like the water of the swimming pool, okay, a water of the tank or tanki, okay, or anywhere if you put the water in a pot, okay, in a tub. So this water is a stagnant water. So Aap Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam warned us against a contaminating stagnant water by urinating in it. That nobody should urinate in a stagnant water. Aap Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam warned us against that. Hazrat Abu Huraira Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu reported that the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that it is forbidden to urinate in the stagnant water and wash in it. Some people go to the swimming pools and do this thing. So this is for them especially, that Aap Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam warned us again against this, that we should not urinate in a stagnant water and we should not wash in it. For that we should always go to the toilet and we should search to the toilet and there we'll go. It's not good to urinate in stagnant water because that can make the water impure. Stagnant water, I tell you the examples, guys. Water of the swimming pool, or you can say water of a tank or a tanky, or water in any pot. Okay, so wherever the water is not running, the fix, it is still, so that will be considered as stagnant water. And now we'll do some, guys, definitions. Check out your notebooks. We'll do some work for that. Take out your notebooks, please.